Hello, this is Jeff with Blizzard. Thanks for clicking in and checking out the new 1718 lineup of Blizzard skis. I am holding the Blizzard Brahma. It is 88 wide. This ski is targeted from the average intermediate through expert skier that wants a little quicker turning ski, maybe tends a little more towards the front side. What makes a Blizzard ski ski? Number one is the carbon flip core. It's the way we make our skis. The carbon flip core makes the ski smoother, less vibration, easier to ride on. You can see the carbon at the extremities. That's what smooths out the vibration at the extremities. That is the Brahma 88.